Yanmar's exclusive double locking hydraulic quick coupler allows an operator to change attachments quickly and efficiently. Begin by making sure your machine is parked on stable, level ground and lower the attachment to the ground. Press the quick coupler power switch to on to activate the quick coupler function. You should hear an audible beeping sound which indicates the function is now active. Press the unlock side of the quick coupler operation switch and the red safety locks will release and the movable hook will travel to the retracted position. You can now remove the quick coupler from the attachment. With the movable hook in the retracted position, you can connect to an attachment by positioning the stationary hook around the appropriate attachment pin. Slowly raise and curl the attachment to the locking position. Press the lock side of the quick coupler operation switch and the movable hook will travel to the extended position and the red safety locks will automatically engage around each pin. Carefully adjust the position of the attachment to verify it is securely connected to the quick coupler and ensure the red safety locks are properly engaged. You can now deactivate the quick coupler function by pressing the quick coupler power switch to off. Be sure to read your operation and maintenance manual for complete details of quick coupler operation and compatible attachment specifications.